More Americans get their weather from the Weather Channel than any other source. And now, your local on the 8s.
A flash flood watch is in effect for our area. Here's our local Doppler radar. For tonight, rain, heavy at times, low 61. Winds east-northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Rainfall near a ½ inch. And on Wednesday, periods of rain. The rain will be heavy at times. High 62. Winds east-southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Flooding is possible in flood-prone areas. And Wednesday night, showers, low 53. Chance of rain 50%. Our 7-day outlook. Traffic conditions around our area.